Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your UBOTIE keyboard to iPads. First of all, turn on the UBOTIE keyboard using the power switch. Press FN+C to activate Bluetooth pairing modes. Go to settings on your iPads. Tap Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. Wait for UBOTIE keyboard to appear in the list. Tap the keyboard name to start the connection with the iPad. Enter the code shown on your iPad if asked. Press enter on your keyboard after tapping the code, and now you are connected and you can start typing. Also, turn off the keyboard when not in use. Thank for watching this video. If it helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more video. See you in the next one.